In this video, I'm going to explain how you can add app blocks into your Shopify theme. Let's jump into Webflow and create something similar. The first attribute we need to add is LECF theme blocks. The theme blocks element contains different blocks and functions like a wrapper. To make it work, we need to add at least one block with settings. You will see later why this is needed. The block name can be chosen by you. Inside, I'm referencing the product title, but you can do whatever you want. Keep in mind that the blocks must be direct children of LECF theme blocks. I'm also going to add a second block to show the vendor. Back in Shopify, you can see that I can add different blocks. Exactly the blocks that we have created earlier. Now the cool thing is that we can not only add blocks that we have defined, but also blocks from supported apps. In this case, I'm adding the star rating from Judge Me. I'm going to show one more example for adding a review widget. I've created a new section called Flexi, and in there is also the LECF theme blocks element, with a block that contains a setting. This allows me to add another Judge Me widget into the Shopify section. With LECF theme blocks, you can embed any supported Shopify app and create very flexible layouts.